Hello everyone, today in this video we will learn about Tynker app. We are going to make Hot Wheels car game using animations. If you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. So now we are going to Tynker app in the animations, and you have to click on the stage and click on the plus, and you have to click on the Hot Wheels. I already set the Hot Wheels, I think, so that they disabled, so I am again set up that. Click on the Hot Wheels. So now the options are coming, and click on this smiley and select your car on your own wish. And this is so easy to make. So let's select this car. I'm keeping this car size to a little bigger because it looks so small. Now click on the paint picture, and you can create roads and set size to 3x. I am creating the track. You can create at your own wish, at your own style. You can make animation also in the Tynker. In the further videos I will tell about that. And let's put this 3 speeds. Click on this timer and take the speed bar. Let's make this little small, and take this fuel bar. It's in the correct size, and we need to put the needle. So let's put, this is so big, so let's make it small. And let's put this needle for speed bar also. I am making this little big. And let's make some decorations. Let's take a rock and a bush, and you can click the adventure and click on the environment, so you can put like this designs like plants and trees. Let's make some decorations. So I am going to put a tree now. Let's put in the right side. Go to the code page. Click on the fast for VD, WD. When right arrow is clicked, it will automatically create the code. So let's put this turn 20 degrees for left and right, and move 15 pixels forward, and move minus 15, so it will go down. And on start, turn right to 90 degrees. So click on the stage and let's play the game. So the tree is not seen fully, so I'm going to replace the tree because we can't see the tree. I'm placing the tree here. Let's play this game. So now the tree is okay. So turn 90 degrees is the car is turned to 90 degrees, so it's straightly. The car is running. And this is nicely. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you soon.